Clothes. Shirt.
Shirt.
Do you like my red and blue shirt? Blouse.
Blouse. I often wear this brown blouse.
Trousers.
Pants.
She never wears trousers. Suit.
Suit. He will wear a nice black suit at the wedding.
Dress.
Dress.
She is wearing a nice red dress. Skirt.
Skirt. She never wears a skirt. She prefers to wear trousers.
Jeans.
Jeans.
My favorite trousers are blue jeans. Shorts.
Shorts. I'm wearing shorts today because it's hot.
Sweater.
Sweater.
I like to wear a warm sweater under my coat. Underwear.
Underwear. You should change your underwear every day.
Jacket.
Jacket.
I love your new jacket. Coat.
Coat. Put on your coat. It's snowing.
Hat.
Hat.
He always wears a hat. Socks.
Socks. I wear warm socks and boots in winter.
Shoes.
Shoes.
These shoes are not very comfortable. Boots.
Boots. I wear boots in the winter.
Gloves.
Gloves.
My mom gave me a pair of gloves. Scarf.
Scarf. I'm wearing a scarf because it's cold.
Tie.
Tie.
I don't like wearing a tie. Size.
Size. This is a medium size.
Wear.
Wear.
She is wearing a beautiful red dress. Put on.
Put on. Put on your coat. It's very cold outside.
Take off.
Take off.
I take off my shoes when I get home. Get dressed.
Get dressed. After I get up, I have a shower and get dressed.
Try on.
Try on.
You can try on the clothes before buying them. Hang up.
Hang up. I'll hang up my jacket.
Fit.
Fit.
These shoes don't fit me. I need a bigger size. Laundry.
Laundry. We do the laundry to wash our clothes.